Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video we're going to be making over my butler's pantry, which is behind me. So it's something that I have done a few times before and it gets unorganized as things do in life, but this time I've decided that I'm going to get it done the way that I want it done. I'm going to label everything, so I thought I'd bring you along with me and yeah, we can reorganize together. So I hope you enjoy the video. This is the before of my pantry. So hopefully today I will get through all of this, and I will also get to the cupboards. So I'm wanting to clean these out so then I can put the overflow in there. So that's just like stuff that's unnecessary. This one's just the garbage bin. Up here we have our coffee cups, which I'm actually thinking I might change around. We have like a bit, I mean we've got a knife block there that I don't think we really need anymore, so I might get rid of that, even though it was a wedding present, so it's one of those things that's difficult to get rid of. Sentimental value. So yeah, come along and I'll show you how we're going to organise. So first thing I'm going to do is get everything out of the pantry. So let's go. I've popped these containers here to help me, but it's not going to show you. But my cat is in one. Very helpful. So now I've put the loose food in the containers and I'm going to put the jars on the outside. We did have some storage solution in there, just wasn't working the best. I'm going to keep doing this and I'll come back to you when it's empty. Getting there, I've put everything back in and reorganised it. I've now put some of my appliances down here to get them out of the cupboard so that I can have overflow in the cupboard. Now my next step is to tackle the top, but I'm not sure if I'll get to that today. I really want to, so we'll see. So yeah, and I've got to do the rest of this. And so in the pantry it looks really nice from here down. And then you turn around to the rest of my kitchen. Cat's still asleep in the box, and it looks like a bomb has hit my kitchen. Oh, we're organising and cleaning to happen. So as you know, if you've watched any of my other videos, I'm short, so IKEA step to help me get everything down. These boxes are pretty much sorted. The top's our first aid box and the bottom is overflow of tea, because I have a problem with tea. I like it a little bit. And in these boxes we have baking stuff and party stuff like cupcakes and straws and that sort of thing. More tea. It's a real shame the lid to this gorgeous cookie jar got smashed, but I just realised I know a paint technique that could turn into a really nice looking vase, so I'll hold on to that. Sorry about that, that was a big bang. I've lost my comb. There it is. It's not, if you've never tried this, you need to try it. It's not clean unless it's co-clean. Not sponsored. So that's the top done. So now just to reorganise it. So I just noticed in these boxes there was a lot of party supplies that could go into under the stairs storage, so I've just popped that in there and I'm going to sort out the baking stuff. Easily condensed 2 into 1, which means that I can have 3 matching ones up there, which makes me happy. I was going to sort out a few more and I'll come back to you. So, you know how I said I had a whole box of tea? Well, I just went through it and a lot of it's expired, so like, and not just expired by a year, but expired by like a few years. See, put things in a container, forget they're there. Now it's all going to be out so I can see it. Okay, so it's done. All done, even up the top. I managed to do it only using containers that I already had. I was going to go and buy new ones, but I'm really glad I didn't. I moved some of our appliances here out of one of the cupboards. They were cluttering up. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. And just so I can prove to you that I did it all the way around. And next I'm going to tackle the upper cupboards. I did do the lower ones. We now have overflow food storage in there, so that's good. I'm really happy. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know there wasn't a lot of me actually doing things, but yeah, it's not so easy when you have 2 kids in the house and filming and they keep coming in to use the pantry. So the only thing I've got to do now is I have some labels done. So I use my Cricut and label up my jars. So I will do that and finish the rest of it, and I'll show you in maybe another vlog, or maybe I'll fit it into this video. It just depends how long this one's going so far. So yeah, really happy. Hi guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. It definitely took a little bit longer than expected. I don't have all the labels done yet, but I'll do that during the week and I'll show you through the process using my Cricut. I'm also going to be flipping or DIYing a couple of shirts that I bought at my Salvos trip this weekend. So I will show you that in next week's video. So if you want to see that, hit the subscribe button and scroll up and hit the little bell notification so you get notified when I post next week's video. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up. We're growing slowly, but I'm thoroughly enjoying the video, so I hope you are too. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So that's it, guys. It's done. Oh, except for the cove. Let's move that out of the way. It's done. All organised. I managed actually do in the beginning of my next video, which is going to be a bit of a vlog of this weekend, and I'll do the I'll show you how I do the stickers.